This is Anjum Anand. She's a food writer and a chef born in London, but of Indian origin. In this series, she travels to different cities in the UK to find a wide range of Indian food and flavors. She also teaches inexperienced cooks how to make great Indian food. In this program, she's in Liverpool, where there's a large community from the southern Indian state of Kerala. She meets Lynn Mitchell, who works for a hospital in the city. The plan is to take part in a local farmers market to raise money for charity. Lynn wants to sell Indian food at the market. The problem is that Lynn has never cooked Indian food, so it's going to be a real challenge. Kerala is in the southwest of India and is a popular holiday destination for British people. A lot of Keralan people have come to Liverpool in the last 10 years to look for work. There are now over 1,000 families there. Anjum is going to teach Lynn 3 traditional Keralan dishes: coconut chicken with ginger, which has a lovely sweet flavor, delicious salmon wraps with curry leaves, and finally, rice noodles. Keralan specialties include a lot of fruit and fish. The cuisine is very light and healthy compared to other Indian food. In Liverpool, it's easy to find the ingredients for these dishes. Anjum can find all the fruit, vegetables, and spices that she needs in special Keralan shops.